Hello, I'm Donna Wilson. We're going to do some stick work for shoulder mobility. Let me introduce Lauren, who has a cane and sitting in the chair, and Jeff, who has a weighted bar to increase resistance to his shoulders. Let's get the first exercise going. Arms are out a little wider than your hips. I want you to breathe out and bring the bar up over your head and lower down. If you cannot get it up all the way, that's fine. Do what you can. Just go up to where you feel the stretch and lower down. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Just 2 more here, just to loosen up that shoulder. Little shoulder flexion, up and back. Last one, all the way up and down. Keep your hands about where they are, and the stick should be at your waist level. Now we're going to do a little bit of rotation with the shoulders. Think about kayaking. So we're going to bring the right shoulder forward, then the left. Right and left. And just keep moving those shoulders forward and back. We're using that stick. Forward and back. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you do get tired, stop whenever you can. Now bring the stick back to the waist and let's go behind. So you take the right elbow back and the left elbow back. Right back. Feel the opening of that shoulder. Back and back. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep your hands again right where they are. And now what you're going to do is take your right arm and goes over to the right. You're going to push with the left so your right arm is parallel to the floor. Now push over to the other side, left. And let's go back over to the right and back over to the left. And let's continue. 10, 9, breathe out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's take the stick and put your hands underneath. We're going to do a bicep curl and shoulder. So we'll just let the sides of the shoulders rest a little bit. So here we go, up to the shoulders and up to the forehead. Down and down. So up, up, and down. As you come up, feel the squeezing of that bicep muscle right in the front of your arm, and then the front of the shoulder and down. Let's do a few more of these. Up and down. Breathe out as you lift it up and down. Good. Keep going. Let's do 3 more. Up and down. Up and down. Last one coming up. Up and up. The next exercise, take your right hand and put it over grip, put it up over your head, take the left hand, palm is out, and hold the stick. Now lift up and down. Lift up and down. Lift up and down. Breathe out as you lift up and down. 5 and down. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring the stick forward. Put the stick over grip on your left hand over grip. Bring it up over your head. Take your right hand, palm is to the back. Out. Lift up and down. Lift up and down. Breathe out as you lift that arm. Feel the stretch. Breathe out, lifting again. 5. Up and down. Up and down. Breathe out. Just 2 more. Up, down, up, and down. All right, now the next exercise, you can bring the stick forward first just to loosen up your shoulders. Now take the stick and put it behind your back. Put your palms towards your buttocks. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Now breathe out and stretch those arms. Feel the lifting of the chest wall. Now take the arms and pump them away from your back, feeling the shoulder blades squeeze together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold and relax. Take a deep breath in and breathe out and bring the stick forward. This time you're going to have your hands in alignment with your shoulders. So we're going to come up to shoulder level. We're going to bring our elbows back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and move it forward. So squeeze back and forward. Breathe out as you squeeze back and forward. Squeeze back and forward. Here's 5, and let's do 5 more. This really opens your chest and squeezes your shoulder blades together. All the way back. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and down. Now we're going to just do a nice little quick stretch. Put the stick down, put one hand over the other. Your arms are straight, and you're just really stretching your arms and stretching that upper back. Make sure your tummy is tucked in and you contract your stomach. Take the right arm over to the left and feel the stretch down the right side of the body. And come on, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Come back center. Put the left arm to the right and just feel a nice deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the lips. Come back center. And that's the end of our stick work for your shoulder mobility. I hope your shoulders feel more flexible and they feel much more comfortable and they're less stiff. Thank you very much. I hope this will be helpful for you.